In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to see who logged into your Facebook account. Seeing who is using your Facebook account is crucial for protecting your privacy and security. Unauthorized access can expose personal information, leading to identity theft, which can cause potential harm if someone impersonates you or engages in malicious activities. To do this, simply head to your Facebook. On your Menus page, scroll down to Settings. On the Settings page, tap onto this first option of See More in Account Center. Select onto this option of Password and Security. Inside the option of Security Checks, select on where you're logged in. Tap on your Facebook account. And on this page, you will see all devices that are logged into your Facebook account. You will see the device they are using, when they logged in, and how many times that have been having access to your account. Now if you wish to log them out of your account, simply tap on Log Out and they will successfully lose access to your account. By logging them out, it secures your data and prevents potential misuse of your identity or online presence. That's how easy it is to see who's using your Facebook account in real time. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.